Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you have been wondering how can you add transitions between your cuts and videos in the Inshot video editor, you're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and make sure we have the app updated for everything to work properly. After the update, quit the store and go ahead and open the app. Now tap on video to add your video. You can choose an old project from here or just create a new one by tapping new. Import your video or even your picture if you want, it works both ways. And tap on the button in the bottom right corner to add it to the app right here. Now let's start by adding some splits and cuts to the video. So let's try to add a cut or a split right here. You can add as many as you want because you can add as many transitions as you want. Let's just zoom in a little bit from here and add another cut right there. Let's zoom out now. And in order to add transitions, it's very simple. Just tap on this white button between the cuts right here. You'll get a huge list of transitions. You can choose the free ones from the first row. They are pretty basic and simple, but I like it. I like it when it's very simple like that. As you can see here, it's very simple in the first row. You can choose advanced ones in the bottom right here. They are like organized in categories, but they're pretty fun too. But from here you need to subscribe or just get the Inshot Pro. Of course you have to pay for that, but for me personally I like these simple ones more. You can just play around with these, and if you like one, you might want to pay for it. So let's go ahead and add the simple one, and you can save by tapping this tick button in the bottom or in the top left right here. And just like that, we have saved the transition. As you can see here, pretty smooth. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.